Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox TikTok videos. First, let's plan your content. Think about what makes a Roblox video engaging for a short-form platform. Select a popular game or a unique idea that will grab attention within the first few seconds. Consider your audience and what trends they follow. A good plan ensures your video has a clear purpose and is fun to watch, setting you up for success. Now, let's capture that awesome Roblox gameplay. You'll need reliable screen recording software. Many free options are available. Record in high definition, ideally 1080 pixels for crisp visuals. Focus on capturing exciting moments, funny interactions, or impressive builds. Remember to get a variety of shots and angles to keep your video visually stimulating and engaging for your viewers. With your footage recorded, it's time to edit for TikTok. Use a user-friendly editing app on your phone or computer. The key is conciseness. Aim for a video between 15 and 60 seconds. Incorporate trending music and sound effects to boost discoverability and viewer retention. Add text overlays to explain context or add humor. Make sure your edits flow smoothly and match the rhythm of your chosen audio. Finally, let's get your video on TikTok and engage your audience. Craft an engaging caption that encourages comments and shares. Utilize a mix of popular and niche hashtags to maximize discoverability. Consider posting during peak hours when your target audience is most active. Most importantly, interact with your viewers by responding to comments and building a community around your Roblox content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.